Kurinji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurinji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.com.
Hello students, we are discussing vectors chapter. In this chapter we are discussing problems related to cross product of vectors. Okay, up to question number 3 we discussed. Next question, question number 4. Show that a bar minus b bar cross product with a bar plus b bar is equal to 2 times of a bar cross b bar. Now what we have to show? How to show that a bar minus b bar cross product with a bar plus b bar is equal to 2 times of a bar cross b bar. Okay, we'll take LHS and prove RHS. Left hand side is this one. So what we have, a bar cross product with a bar plus b bar minus b bar cross product with a bar plus b bar. Now a bar cross a bar plus a bar cross b bar minus b bar cross a bar minus b bar cross b bar. Okay, so a bar cross a bar, a bar cross a bar is a zero vector. A bar cross a bar is a zero vector because a bar cross b bar formula is mod a mod b sin theta into n cap. A bar cross a bar, here angle between a bar and b bar is 0, so a bar cross a bar is 0 and b bar cross b bar is 0. So what we have, a bar cross b bar minus b bar cross a bar. Now we know one thing, that is cross product is not commutative. Cross product is not commutative. Actually a bar cross b bar is equal to minus of b bar cross a bar. A bar cross b bar is equal to minus of b bar cross a bar. So minus b bar cross a bar, in place of minus b bar cross a bar what we can write, a bar cross b bar. So what we have here, a bar cross b bar plus a bar cross b bar is 2 times of a bar cross b bar. Okay, next question, question number 5. Find lambda and mu if 2i cap plus 6j cap plus 27k cap cross product with I cap plus lambda j cap plus mu cap is equal to 0 bar. Means cross product of these two vectors is a zero vector. Okay, you have to find lambda value and mu value if 2i cap plus 6j cap plus 27k cap cross product with I cap plus lambda j cap plus mu k cap is equal to 0 bar. Okay, now cross product of these two vectors is a zero vector. Now cross product is nothing but determinant. Okay, nothing but determinant of ijk 2 6 27 and here 1 lambda mu, okay, is equal to 0 bar. So I cap into first row first column close 6 mu minus 27 lambda minus j cap into second column and first row close first row and second column close 2 mu minus 27 plus k cap into first row and third column close k cap into 2 lambda minus 6 is equal to 0 bar. Okay, this vector is equal to null vector. Zero vector means I component, j component and k component are equal to 0. The vector, it is of the form xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap equal to 0 bar. It means I component, j component, k component are zeros. So what we have here, I component is 0 and j component 0 and k component 0. So what we have here, 6 mu minus 27 lambda equal to 0, this is one condition, 2 mu minus 27 equal to 0, this is one condition. 2 lambda minus 6 equal to 0, this is one condition. Okay, now using here 2 mu minus 27 equal to 0, so mu is equal to what? 27 by 2, mu is equal to 27 by 2. Okay, so 2 lambda minus 6 equal to 0, so 2 lambda equal to 6, lambda equal to 6 by 2 is 3. So lambda value is 3, mu value is 27 by 2. Okay, find the value of lambda and mu if this cross product is 0. Okay, find cross product means determinant, okay, equate to 0. Now this vector is equal to 0 vector, null vector means I component, j component, k component are 0. Okay, using these two conditions, j component 0, 2 mu minus 27 equal to 0, so mu is equal to 27 by 2. Okay, using 2k minus 2 lambda minus 6 equal to 0, what we have? Lambda value is 3. So lambda value 3, mu value 27 by 2. Okay, next question. Given that a bar dot b bar equal to 0 and a bar cross b bar equal to 0 bar, what can we conclude about the vectors a bar and b bar? Okay, now a bar dot b bar equal to 0. A bar dot b bar equal to 0, then what are the possibilities? A bar dot b bar equal to 0, then either a bar is a null vector or b bar is a null vector or a bar is perpendicular to b bar. What is dot product of a bar and b bar? A bar dot b bar is equal to magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar into cos theta. Okay, a bar dot b bar is magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar into cos theta. Now that quantity equal to 0 means there are three possibilities, either a bar equal to 0 or b bar equal to 0 or cos theta, angle between a bar and b bar is 0. Cos theta is 0 when theta equal to pi by 2. Okay, so a bar dot b bar equal to 0, there are three possibilities. Magnitude of a bar 0, either a bar is a null vector or magnitude of b bar is 0, either b bar is a null vector or vector a bar is perpendicular to vector b bar, vector a bar is perpendicular to vector b bar. Okay, so these are the possibilities for a bar dot b bar equal to 0. Also given that a bar cross b bar is a null vector. Okay, a bar cross b bar is 0, a bar cross b bar 0 bar. What is it meaning? A bar cross b bar is 0 bar means what is a bar cross b bar? First of all, a bar cross b bar is magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar into sin theta into n cap. Okay, now n cap is a unit vector normal to the plane generated by a bar and b bar, so it is non-zero. Okay, the possibilities are either magnitude of a bar 0, magnitude of b bar 0 or sin theta is 0. Okay, magnitude of a bar 0 or magnitude of b bar 0. Sin theta 0 means theta has to be either 0 degrees or pi. Okay, either theta is pi or 0 means a bar and b bar are parallel. In either case, a bar is parallel to b bar. A bar is parallel to b bar. So a bar cross b bar equal to 0, a bar cross b bar equal to 0. Possibilities are either magnitude of a bar 0 or magnitude of b bar 0 or a bar is parallel to b bar. Now if a bar dot b bar 0 and a bar cross b bar equal to 0 bar, if both conditions satisfying, simultaneously means a bar perpendicular to b bar and a bar parallel to b bar simultaneously not possible, no? A bar perpendicular to b bar and a bar parallel to b bar simultaneously not possible. But two vectors perpendicular to each other, parallel to each other does not satisfy simultaneously. Okay, so these conditions are not possible. Then a bar dot by bar 0 and a bar cross b bar 0 bar, possibilities are either magnitude of a bar 0 or magnitude of b bar 0. Magnitude of a bar 0 or magnitude of b bar 0. Okay, next question. Question number 7. Show that let a bar is equal to a1i cap plus a2j cap plus a3k cap, b bar is equal to b1i cap plus b2j cap plus b3k cap, and c bar is equal to c1i cap plus c2j cap c3k cap. Okay, three vectors given, a bar, b bar, c bar. Then show that a bar cross product with b bar plus c bar is equal to a bar cross b bar plus a bar cross c bar. What we have here, a bar is a1i cap a2j cap plus a3k cap, b bar is b1i cap plus b2j cap plus b3k cap, c bar is c1i cap plus c2j cap plus c3k cap. then show that A bar cross product with B bar plus C bar is equal to A bar cross B bar plus A bar cross C bar. Okay. Now first of all, I'll find what is B bar plus C bar. Now B bar plus C bar is the sum of the vectors B bar and C bar, no? B1 I cap plus B2 j cap plus B3 k cap plus C1 I cap plus C2 j cap plus C3 k cap. If we add these two, so I component B1 plus C1, B1 plus C1 I cap, because B1 I cap plus C1 I cap, nothing but B1 plus C1 I cap plus these two, B2 plus C2 j cap plus B3 plus C3 k cap. Okay, this is B bar plus C bar. Now what is left hand side? Left hand side is A bar cross product with B bar plus C bar. A bar cross product with B bar plus C bar. So A bar cross product with B bar plus C bar is determinant of I cap, J cap, K cap. A component, A vector A is what? A1, A2, A3. B plus C is what? B1 plus C1, B2 plus C2, B3 plus C3. Okay. Now if you observe here, third row, every element is sum of two terms. Okay, sum of two elements, every term is sum of two elements. Now we can split this determinant like this. First row no change, second row no change, third row B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3 we can write. Okay, so what we have, this one we can split as IJK A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3 plus IJK A1, A2, A3, C1, C2, C3. But this is A cross B plus C. Okay, A cross B bar plus C bar, left hand side. Okay, I'll mark this one as 1. Now right hand side, what we have on right hand side? Right hand side is A bar cross B bar plus A bar cross C bar, no? Now A bar cross B bar is what? Determinant of IJK A, A1, A2, A3, B, B1, B2, B3. This is A bar cross B bar. And A bar cross C bar is modulus of, determinant of I cap, J cap, K cap, A, A1, A2, A3, C, C1, C2, C3. If we add these two, so what we have, A bar cross B bar plus A bar cross C bar is equal to magnitude of determinant of I cap, J cap, K cap, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3 plus I cap, J cap, K cap, A1, A2, A3, C1, C2, C3. Now this is 2. Okay, mark this one as 2. From 1 and 2, these two are equal only, no? Right hand side is equal. Okay, from 1 and 2, right hand side part equal means left hand side part also equal. So from 1 and 2, what we have, A bar cross B bar plus C bar is equal to A bar cross B bar plus A bar cross C bar. Okay. Now here what we have, A bar cross B bar plus C bar, you have to show it as equal to A bar cross B bar plus A bar cross C bar. Okay. Now B bar plus C bar, first of all B bar plus C bar is B1 plus C1 I cap plus B2 plus C2 J cap plus B3 plus C3 K cap. Okay. Now A bar cross product with B bar plus C bar. Okay. This is determinant of IJK A1, A2, A3, B1 plus C1, B2 plus C2, B3 plus C3. So A bar cross product with B bar plus C bar, okay, can split as sum of two determinants, because here third row is every term is sum of two elements. Okay, using the properties of determinants we can split like this. Okay, this is also equal to, this is A bar cross B bar, this is A bar cross C bar. Okay, A bar cross B bar plus A bar cross C bar. So from 1 and 2, A bar cross B bar plus C bar is equal to A bar cross B bar plus A bar cross C bar. Okay, next question number 8. If A bar equal to 0 or B bar equal to 0, then A bar cross B bar is a 0 vector. But this is obvious case. We know that if A bar is a 0 vector or B bar is a 0 vector, then their cross product is a 0 vector. Okay, is converse to, what about the converse? Means if A bar cross B bar equal to 0, then A bar has to be 0 or B bar has to be 0. Justify your answer with an example. What we have, if A bar cross B bar, if A bar equal to 0 or B bar equal to 0, then their cross product is obviously 0 vector. A bar cross B bar is a 0 vector. Okay, converse need not be true, ma? Converse need not be true. What we have here, what is the basic definition of A bar cross B bar? A bar cross B bar is magnitude of A bar into magnitude of B bar into sin theta into n cap. Okay, Now A bar cross B bar is 0 if either A bar 0, magnitude of A bar 0, magnitude of B bar 0, or sin theta is 0. Sin theta 0, it is possible when theta equal to 0 or theta is pi. Okay, if theta is 0 or theta is pi, sin 0 is 0, sin pi is also 0. Okay, now theta means angle between A bar and B bar is 0 when A bar and B bar are parallel to each other. Okay, A bar and B bar parallel to each other in the same direction. When A bar and B bar have the same direction, both are parallel. Okay, parallel and the same direction, angle is 0. Okay, parallel but opposite direction. If A bar and B bar are parallel but opposite direction, then angle between A bar and B bar is what? Pi. In such case also sin pi is 0. Okay, means A bar and B bar has to be parallel vectors. Example, you take any example, you take some vector A bar and you take some other vector B bar as some multiple of A bar. Okay, I will consider here, let A bar is equal to I cap plus j cap plus k cap, B bar consider as 2i plus 2j plus 2k or 3i plus 3j plus 3k, anything simply scalar multiple of vector A bar you consider. Okay, A bar is equal to, let A bar is equal to I cap plus j cap plus k cap and vector B bar is equal to 2i cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap. So magnitude of A bar is how much? Square root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, that is square root of 3. Magnitude of B bar is how much? Square root of 2 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. Square root of 12 is square root of 12 what we can write? Square root of 4 into 3. Square root of 4 is 2, 2 root 3. So magnitude of A bar is non-zero, magnitude of B bar is non-zero here. But if you calculate A bar cross B bar is equal to determinant of ijk, now 1 1 1 2 2 2. What we know in determinants concept, in a determinant, if two rows are equal or corresponding elements are in the same ratio, then obviously determinant is 0, or else you take simply because here every term in this row is multiple of 2, so 2 we can write outside. So what we can write, A bar cross B bar is equal to 2 into ijk 1 1 1 1 1 1. So this is determinant is 0. Okay, determinant is 0. So A bar cross B bar is equal to 0 bar. A bar cross B bar equal to 0 bar. But A bar is non-zero, B bar is a non-zero vector. Magnitude of A bar is not equal to 0, magnitude of B bar equal to not equal to 0. Okay, A bar cross B bar equal to 0 bar when magnitude of A bar non-zero and magnitude of B bar non-zero. Okay, next question. Find the area of triangle with vertices A 1 1 2, B 2 3 5 and C 1 5 5. Okay, we have to find area of triangle ABC whose vertices are A 1 1 2, B 2 3 5 and C 1 5 5. Okay, the area of triangle ABC, what we can write? Half modulus of AB bar cross AC bar, half modulus of AB bar cross AC bar. Okay, now first of all find AB bar. AB bar is position vector of B bar minus position vector of A bar. Nothing but AB bar is nothing but OB bar minus OA bar. Okay, AB bar is OB bar minus OA bar. A point given, so OB bar is what? 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 5k cap, 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 5k cap minus position vector of point A. OA bar is what? 1 1 2 means I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. Now difference 2i minus I, 3j minus j, 2j, 5k minus 2k, 3k cap. So AB bar is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Okay, next AC bar. AC bar, what we can write? AC bar is equal to position vector of C bar, position vector of point C minus position vector of point A. AC bar is nothing but OC bar minus OA bar. What is OC bar? I cap plus 5j cap plus 5k cap minus OA bar. OA bar is what? I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. Now their difference, I cap minus I cap 0 cap, 5j minus j, 4j cap plus 5k cap minus 2k cap is 3k cap. Okay, so AC bar is equal to 4j bar plus 3k cap, 4j cap plus 3k cap. Now this is AB bar and AC bar. So first calculate AB bar cross product with AC bar. AB bar cross product with AC bar. This is determinant ijk. Here 1, 2, 3. Here I component 0 no. So 0, 4, 3. Okay. Calculate I into first row first column close ma. 2 3 6 minus 4 3 is 12. 6 minus 12 minus 6. So minus 6 I cap. Next minus j into first row second column close 1 into 3 3 0 into something 0 so 3 minus 3j cap plus k cap into first row third column close 1 into 4 4k cap minus 6j cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap. Okay, this is AB bar cross AC bar. Now magnitude of AB bar cross AC bar, magnitude of AB bar cross AC bar is equal to square root of minus 6 square plus minus 3 square plus 4 square. Okay, how much it is? 36 plus 9 plus 16. Okay, square root of 36 plus 25 is the square root of 61. Square root of 61. Okay. What we know area of triangle ABC is? Area of triangle ABC is half modulus of AB bar cross AC bar. Half modulus of AB bar cross AC bar. Okay, half magnitude of AB bar cross AC bar is how much? Square root of 61. Square root of 61 by 2 square units. Square root of 61 by 2 square units. Okay. Now AB bar, AC bar we have to find. AB bar is OB bar minus OA bar. AC bar is OC bar minus OA bar. Okay. After finding those two vectors, take cross product. Okay. AB bar cross AC bar is minus 6j cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap. Its magnitude. Magnitude of AB bar cross AC bar is square root of minus 6 square plus minus 3 square plus 4 square is the square root of 61. So area of triangle ABC is square root of 61 by 2 square units. Okay. We will conclude up to here. We will continue remaining problems in next class. Thank you.